Natural light has a powerful effect on how a home feels. Bright rooms appear more open, welcoming, and comfortable, while darker spaces can feel smaller and less inviting. For homeowners in Washington who want to enhance daylight without sacrificing architectural elegance, Palladian windows offer a beautiful and effective solution. Their distinctive design not only adds visual interest but also transforms how light flows through living spaces. What makes Palladian windows unique? Palladian windows are characterized by a large central arched window flanked by two smaller rectangular windows. This classic design creates a balanced, symmetrical appearance that stands out both inside and outside the home. In Washington living spaces, this combination of shapes allows light to enter from multiple sections of the window, increasing overall brightness while adding architectural depth. Capturing light from higher angles. One of the biggest advantages of Palladian windows is their arched top. The arch allows sunlight to enter from higher angles than standard rectangular windows. For Washington homeowners, this means more daylight reaches deeper into the room, especially during morning and afternoon hours. Light coming from above helps reduce shadows and brightens areas that might otherwise feel dim. Spreading daylight more evenly across the room. Flat windows often concentrate light in one area, leaving other parts of the room darker. Palladian windows distribute light more evenly due to their multi-panel design. In Washington homes, this balanced light distribution creates living spaces that feel naturally illuminated rather than overly bright in one spot. The result is a softer, more comfortable brightness throughout the room. Making large living spaces feel airier. Living rooms and open areas benefit greatly from additional daylight. Palladian windows visually expand these spaces by drawing the eye upward and outward. For Washington homeowners, the tall central window emphasizes vertical space, making ceilings feel higher and rooms feel more open. This sense of airiness improves both comfort and visual appeal. Enhancing light without overwhelming the space. Some large windows can feel overpowering or cause glare. Palladian windows strike a balance by combining generous glass with architectural framing. In Washington living spaces, this design allows homeowners to enjoy abundant light without sacrificing comfort. The framing helps soften the light while maintaining brightness, creating a strong architectural focal point. Palladian windows naturally become focal points within a room. Their elegant shape and symmetry draw attention without feeling excessive. For Washington homeowners, this means living spaces gain character and charm while also benefiting from improved natural light. The window becomes both a design feature and a functional upgrade. Supporting flexible interior design. Rooms with good natural light are easier to decorate and arrange. Palladian windows provide a bright, neutral backdrop that works with a wide range of styles. Washington homeowners often find that furniture placement becomes more flexible, and decor choices feel more vibrant when rooms are well lit by natural daylight. Reducing dependence on artificial lighting. With more daylight entering the home, there's less need to rely on artificial lighting during daytime hours. In Washington homes, Palladian windows help keep living spaces bright from morning through afternoon, creating a more pleasant environment while reducing the need to turn on lights. Enhancing everyday comfort and mood. Natural light has a noticeable effect on mood and comfort. Bright rooms feel more uplifting and enjoyable to spend time in. Palladian windows help Washington homeowners create living spaces that feel calm, open, and welcoming, ideal for relaxing, entertaining, or spending time with family. A timeless way to brighten living spaces. Palladian windows combine classic design with practical benefits. They enhance light, elevate style, and improve how rooms feel every day. For homeowners in Washington, Palladian windows enhance natural light by capturing sunlight from higher angles, distributing it evenly, and adding architectural beauty. The result is a brighter, more comfortable living space that feels open, elegant, and enjoyable year-round.